Yeah, here's Brian doing the kayak. It's very beautiful day right now. So he's doing the kayaking. Then here we go. He's paddling. Make it faster. He's catching the waves. That when they gonna be over. Yeah, see that? He's heading to the north, I think. Yeah, he's from the south and then he's going to the north. Yeah. See, he's waving. Did you see that? Because I did not see it. But he's waving. That's what the camera say. Yeah, see? Hi, Brian.
Hello.
Oh, see? He hear me. I have a loud voice. The next neighbor can hear me. The next town, I mean. There we go. Enjoy. Where you heading at? North or south or east and west?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Oh, that's so nice.
Back here to the boat.
Yeah, that's so nice. Just don't fall asleep, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Woke up in Astoria.
Go to Astoria, Bri.
Buoy 5.
Can you paddle 65 miles a second? Yeah, go, go, go. Show your moves, man. Yeah. Show your moves. Show the people in the Philippines. All right, we love you. Have fun, enjoy.